Alright, back with another sneaker unboxing. This is the last one I think that I'm going to be uploading. I got 3 that I'm shooting this week. They're going to be spaced out in uploads in terms of when they get uploaded. I think this is the last one. But this is, out of the 3 that I got like a hiking set, some slippers or sandals, and then some running shoes. Because the last ones I was using were these right here. I believe this is the Adidas ZX, maybe 4000, something like that. And man, I don't know how I feel about these. I have had them for about a year. They're pretty worn. Like, you look at the bottom, the sole on the top, that blue part has like almost no traction left. I'm sorry if it's not focusing too well. Very lightweight, at least. That's a good thing. But you guys probably don't care about that. This is about the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 38, which I like them so far. I ran in them once. I wanted to at least get one run in before I made the video, so I could give you guys my opinion on how they actually performed, rather than just like pulling them out the box and being like, hey, this is this. So here's a look at them. Like I said, I've already worn them once. I just put them in the box for I don't know, showmanship. But let me get these out, and then we'll take a quick look at them. We'll talk about them a little bit. So here they are. A very interesting shape going on to them. When you look at the back, they come to this point. Probably easiest to see if I hold it like this. So pretty interesting. You can also see that the sole is just like super thick. Like, there's a whole lot of cushion right there. And that's the first thing that I noticed when I ran in these. Like, I ran the first block or whatever, and I was like, it felt like I was walking on clouds. It's just like super cushiony. So that was really nice. They were really soft. And yeah, I like them so far. They also look pretty good. Like, you know, just pretty chill, like pretty basic. I like how the swoosh is down below. Might be a little bit hard to see right here, but the swoosh is also like a 3D application of some type of like rubbery material. Not sure if that'll show up the greatest. And then there's also another one that's like the filled in version on the inside of your heel. So I do like these. Complaints so far, I guess. Your foot does sit like a little bit high. I don't know if I have high bridges, I think is the term that would be. But like this, the tongue sits up kind of high. Maybe my feet are just weird, but yeah, I don't know. The first run was pretty good in them. Like I said, super cushiony. I think I read that these are supposed to be like form-fitting. So the sole on the inside is supposed to form to whether you have like high arches or like flat foot. It should form to that. So it's kind of like a universal technology with it. Looks like it has the Air Zoom cushioning, if that's what it's supposed to be for. But yeah, I do like it. These are engineered to the exact specifications of world-class runners. Nike Running, it says on the sole. So they're for runners. And actually, like, holding up the old Adidas, maybe it's got a bunch of like dead skin and sweat soaked into it, since I have been running in these for like a year. But the Pegasus actually feels lighter. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. The upper material for this is definitely lighter. It's like super thin, but these a little bit thicker. I guess it's like a cushiony material rather than like a canvas or anything. So also very breathable. There's perforations going all along the upper. So I don't know, it's cool. As far as price, I got it for $90, which it was on sale. I think they retail for $120, which is a lot more than I got those ones for, those Adidases before. Up until now, I usually just hit up the Adidas sale section and get some running shoes there. But I figured, hey, I'm gonna get some nice ones. I'm gonna get something good. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm happy with these so far. I'm excited to keep running in them. I only run about like 2 miles a couple times a week, so my runs are shorter. But I do like these. I like these so far. And a little bit more on the pricey side. I think they are stylish. There's several different colorways you can get this in. They actually really got like a ton. And I think I saw that, so these are the Pegasus 38. I think I saw that the Pegasus 39 is coming out soon. I don't have any other details on that other than I think that's supposed to be happening soonish. So, and the last thing I want to talk about is sizing. You can probably go true to size. Honestly, you might be able to size up like half a size. I don't know. The toe box is a little bit small when I tried it on, and I did go true to size. So I don't know. Keep that in mind. Maybe if you're next to like a Nike store instead of ordering them online, go in and check just to be sure, because yeah, it is like right on the border. I feel like I could maybe go up half a size, but yeah. I hope you guys found this video helpful. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.